Do you want to create a money-making product that you can sell online quickly and easily? In this video, I'm going to give you your own product creation blueprint so you can generate revenue year after year. Hello, my name is Herman Drost from DrostDesigns.com. If you want to learn how to grow your audience on YouTube and generate traffic, leads, and sales on autopilot, hit the subscribe button, then click the bell icon so you won't miss any future videos. Creating and selling information products is all the rage right now with good reason. If done correctly, they can be created quickly at little cost and generate revenue month after month. Here are some of the benefits of creating your own information product. Create it once and sell it for years to come. Make money every single month. Generate a passive income while you're sleeping or when you're taking a break from the computer. Unlimited potential income. Opportunities for joint ventures. What are the benefits of creating a digital product over a physical product? It costs less, there's no shipping, instant delivery, easy to produce, easy to update, no size limitation, easy and convenient for customers to use, no expiration, create unlimited purchases. Just create it once and sell it over and over. Here are the steps to create and sell your own money-making product quickly and easily. Number one, start with market research. It's very tempting that when you have a product idea to just dive in and create the product. The problem is you have no idea if it's going to sell or not. Therefore, it makes sense to do in-depth research before you create the product. Think about the problems and issues your target market has. If you can provide solutions to their burning problems, you'll have a product that sells. You can do your research online by visiting Amazon, ClickBank, and JVZoo. Product creators use these companies all the time to sell their products. Number two, determine your product's price. I often struggle what price to charge my product and wonder if it's too high or too low. The best thing to do is to just go online and find similar products that are being sold. You'll probably find a range of products, but look what's included in the product. When you see the price, that may not be how much the person is making from the product. They may have a series of upsells or have many affiliates promoting the product. What's the advantage of an affiliate program? The advantage is that other people will be spreading the word about your product. However, the profit will be split between you. For example, if you want to make $20 per sale, you'll have to charge $40 so you can give 50% commission to your affiliates. Number three, creating your product. Begin with an outline. Create a list of what you want to include in your product. For example, your product could be an ebook with an e-cover. It could be a series of videos. It could include templates and checklists. Once you've got a clear vision of your product, then it's easy to create it. It's easy to be overwhelmed at the beginning, but keep in mind it doesn't have to be put together in one day. It's okay to take your time. Here's how to make your product creation manageable. Break it down into smaller parts so you can work on each part separately. For example, if you create an ebook, you can just write one chapter at a time. Set aside some time every day to work on your ebook. For instance, you could just devote 1 hour per day. When you work on your product every day, you'll get it done. Another idea is to outsource the product creation work. Number four, add value to your product. When it comes to creating your own information product, you want to make sure that it's valuable and helpful to your customers. If it doesn't meet their needs or provides benefits to their situation or solve their problems, then they may ask for a refund. One of the best ways to add value to your products is to add bonus items. These may include templates, reports, cheat sheets, or even a webinar. This will help your customers to get a greater understanding of your product and make it easier to implement the solution. Number five, creating upsells for your product. Upsells refer to additional products your customers may buy if it's related to the product. Amazon does this very well. For example, if you purchase a product on Amazon, they'll show related products that you may wish to buy also. You can also upsell your customers to a membership course where they get more tutorials and support. Other examples of upsells could be an audio series, a video series, webinar series, or consulting. Avoid offering too many upsells which may turn your customers off. Just make sure that all the products in your upsell are related to each other. Number six, promote before your product launch. It's natural to be excited about your product launch because you'll work hard to create your product. Ideally, you want to plan several weeks in advance so you can warm up your potential audience. Here are some things you can do. Video series, guest posting, podcast, live stream, Facebook ads campaign, or YouTube video ads campaign. Just pick a few promotions that you can set up. For example, you could make a goal of guest posting on 3 bloggers. You can live stream on YouTube, Facebook, or both. Create a special launch calendar so you know what to do each week, and then just tweak it as you know what works or what doesn't. Number seven, prepare for your launch. Make sure your sales copy clearly and accurately explains what your customer is going to get. Describe each element of your product and the benefit to your customer. Instead of writing a long sales page, mix it up by adding images to the content. This will make the sales page easier to read. Add video if possible. Adding a video to a sales page is a great way to improve conversions. You can simply record yourself talking about the product and upload it to YouTube or embed it on your website. Do a test sale. It's easy to assume that your shopping cart is going to work correctly, but there's no guarantee. Run a few test sales to make sure that your customers will have no hassle when they go to buy the product. Number 8, market your new product. After the product launch, you may think that you can just sit back and relax. However, getting through a product launch doesn't mean that your job is over. In fact, by the time you launch your product, your work has just begun. Start thinking of creative ways to promote your new product. Some promotion ideas may include a video series, guest blogging, Facebook ads campaign, video ads campaign. Get active in niche groups and forums where you can answer questions that might send traffic back to your product. Now you know the 8 steps to sell your own money-making product quickly and easily. Click the link below to get your own product creation blueprint. It's an A to Z guide for creating and selling your own information product. If you want to grow your audience on YouTube and generate traffic, leads, and sales on autopilot, click the subscribe button below. Make sure you also check out the related videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.